Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix PS5 keeps turning off. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your PS5 keeps turning off unexpectedly, it can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. First method, check power connection. Ensure that the power cable is securely plugged into both PS5 and the power outlet. Check for any signs of damage on the cable. Plug the PS5 directly into a wall outlet if possible, avoiding power strips or extension cords, which may cause power fluctuations. Another method, check for overheating. Ensure that your PS5 is well ventilated and not placed in an enclosed space. Make sure there is ample space around the console for proper airflow. Use compressed air to gently blow out any dust or debris from the vents of the PS5. Dust buildup can cause overheating. Another method, update system software. Ensure that your PS5 is running the latest system software. To check if it's updated, go to the Settings, System Software, System Software Update in Settings, and just update system software if there's any. Last method, save mode and rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 completely. Hold down the power button until you hear a second beep, about 7 seconds, to boot into save mode. Then, connect your PS5 via USB cable. Then click on the PS5 button. Now, the options will appear on your screen. Just choose Rebuild Database option. This can fix corrupted data and potentially resolve issues causing the PS5 to turn off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.